Say hi, guys. Hi. Say hi, guys.
One. Two. Three. Oh, man, you're heavy.
That's it? Just 3?
Boy, this guy's heavy. 5.
Getting sideways.
No, now you're making it hard. Oh God.
That's it? For just 5?
Yeah, for right now.
Do 6. Do 20.
20.
No, he could not
No
do
way.
20.
Try to do it.
I'm gonna try to give you 10 out of me, okay? Where we stopped at? We stopped at 5, right?
Uh-huh.
All right, here we go. 6. I can do this. 7. I can do this. 8. I can do this. I can't do this.
You have like 2 more.
All right, here we go. We at 8, right? All right, here we go.
Oh, man.
9.
Bryson.
Here we go.
1 more.
Okay.
Oh, he's not making it easy.
Definitely not. Here we go. All right, here we go. 10.
You did it. Woo! You did it. How do you feel? You did it.
Do some push.
I feel like I'm the world's strongest man. What have you been eating?
No.
Your mom's been feeding you.
Poor dad.
Oh, man.
I'm bored.
You're bored. What do you want to do?
Camp.
Camping? We can't go camping. It's raining outside.
We can camp inside.
What do you think, Bryson? You want to do a camping trip inside the house?
Yeah.
Okay. So what do we need? What do we need for a camping trip?
We need tents.
Yeah.
Number 1, because we got to protect ourselves.
And we need somewhere to sleep, and that's why we need the tents too, to sleep in. We need some blankets,
You're not get cold.
pillows.
Yeah.
Oh, and let's not forget food. Because you know me. Excuse you, Buster. 'Cause you know me. We need some food.
We need some food. We need water.
Water.
Oh, we need something to cook the food.
Oh, a grill.
Toys.
Toys.
Yeah.
And, what else can we bring with us?
Ding.
What is it?
What else do we need for a camping trip?
iPad.
Your iPad? Just in case you get bored? Okay. All right, guys, so we have the tents. We need more than 1 tent. That doesn't seem like it's big enough for us.
Trust me, I got another one for us.
Okay.
I'm telling you,
Just making sure.
this is a real life camping trip.
Okay.
Look at our tents.
That's good enough.
Yeah.
So we have 2 tents, guys.
Yep. This is going to be fun.
Yes, it is. I'm excited.
Oh, we need some music too.
Some
You know,
music.
Yeah, some nice mellow music.
Wait, why don't we just sing?
Oh, that's perfect too. You got any ideas of songs you got in mind?
Nope. I have no idea. We'll figure it out.
Well, I got a superstar voice, so you know. I got the music part covered.
Okay. All right, we got the other tent.
Two. Okay. Now, where would you want to put it at, sir?
Right here.
Okay. So this is gonna be our tent,
Yeah.
or your tent, or just by itself?
Think all by itself with all of us inside.
For all of us inside. And this tent for Blake.
All right.
I think this tent is too tiny for all of us.
Let's try to stretch it out as much as we can.
Yeah.
You know.
How is it?
Good. Hey, let's have a house one.
Oh yeah. Nice.
Yeah,
Okay.
nice.
Stretch it out here.
You the winter.
Yeah. How's it look inside, Brian?
Good.
All right. Now.
Hold on, I don't think it goes like that.
No.
Fix the bottom part.
All right.
I'm being my pen. Hello. Oh, I can't get out. I can't get out.
You
What the-
stuck?
My nose pushed.
Hey.
I can't open my eyes.
Looks like you have a mask on. You got it figured out?
Yeah, let's put these little sticks in these holes, these little loops. They come.
Yeah,
out.
because it gets bigger than this. That doesn't look too big.
Yeah, stretch it out. There we go. See that?
Yeah, I gotta help you with the other side.
I can do it.
Okay.
I'm gonna try.
All right. Think about.
I'll hold the other side.
Got
This
it?
tent is tricky.
Yeah.
It is.
Oh, there we go. Keep stretching it out. Keep pulling it, yep. Because it's like coming from the top. We have to keep stretching it so it could get bigger. And now we need someone to stretch out that side. The back side.
There's a thing in the backyard.
Right there. Okay.
Perfect.
So now we have our 2 tents, guys. Look at that.
So now.
This one still looks like it needs to be stretched out more.
Mm-hmm.
What do you think? It's fine?
I think it's fine.
There it goes.
There you go. Yeah, that's fine.
All right, so what else do we need?
We need our food.
All right, let's get some food. All right, Brian, we need some food. We need some cups and plates for our drinks. We need some juice, water, anything you can find. Go ahead.
I found cake.
Can't forget about these two guys,
Yeah.
Oh, yeah, we need those guys. They're joining us.
Woody and Buzz.
I found some cake.
Cake.
Okay, let's see what else is in here.
Beans and the carrot.
Oh, you want to just take this whole thing? Look at that.
Look at that.
Yeah, we got cups, some food. Let's take this whole thing. And some plates.
I did one drink.
We could take that with us. Mmm. And what about a game?
Oh, yeah.
All right, guys, so we have everything all set up for our camping trip. How do you guys think it looks? We have our tents.
Yeah. Just count. I said this is 1, 2, 3. They count cups. 1, 2, 3.
Yeah, we got 3 cups for all of us, right? Good job.
Those 2.
Oh, yeah. They need cups, too.
Don't worry. I got them.
Okay, Daddy got them.
2 cups for them.
Good job. All right, so we have our fire here, guys.
Yeah.
We have our Greedy Granny game just in case we get bored.
Yeah.
We have our grill here for our food.
You
Look,
smell that?
look, it's all brown right there.
Yeah.
Look at that. Nice and roasted. Now let's take a bite out of crime now.
Okay.
On count of 3. 1, 2, 3.
How is it?
It's good. How is it?
Yeah, I'm going to put it in here.
Isn't it hot?
Yeah.
How's your s'more?
Good.
All right, well, I'm about to grill some food, guys.
Yeah, go over there. That hamburger patty.
I'm going to toast
Oh,
up.
I forgot we got cake.
Grill some veggies.
Hey, serve Woody and Buzz. Yeah, you cake. You cake for them.
Here you go, cake. Here you go.
Another cake. This one was for either one of them.
Here you go,
Alright.
some cake.
And give them their 2 cups.
Here you go, your drinks.
All right. It's looking like a real camping trip.
So the food is grilling. What? Wait, wait a minute. What is that cake doing there?
Oh man, a cake.
You grilling a cake?
Yeah, you the milk.
I guess that's something new.
I'm going like 10.
You going in your tent? Okay.
Leave some room in there for me.
Wait a minute. Where's the blankets and pillows?
That's right.
We're gonna get cold.
I'm gonna get it.
All right, go get it. I knew we was forgetting something.
I want the big pillow.
Got it.
Mmm.
Super.
Oh, that's huge. I think it's bigger than the tent. Does it fit?
Think so.
Hey, I want to use that one. It looks comfy. Oh,
You usually go to sleep.
all right.
There.
You got your iPad?
Yep.
Okay.
Mmm.
We need some blankets.
Yeah, here we go.
Okay.
Got
Let's
some.
turn this patty over.
Got some. Do this. One at a time.
Okay.
Yeah, roll it on the ball.
Crow. There.
Pass me one over here.
Yeah, we need another one over here.
Yeah, just throw it. Go. Throw it. Throw it.
I can't.
I got it. All
It's too
right.
heavy. I can't see anything.
All right, I got it.
I'm going right then.
That looks comfy.
Nice.
This is my tent.
All right.
Oh, so you're taking the big one now. Okay.
Yeah.
That's the little one.
All right.
And looky, I got some Spider-Man.
Spider-Man game? Cool.
Spider-Man.
Here we go. Here we go.
I've got some Spider-Man,
All
guys.
right.
Who's want to share? Look.
Cool.
Spider-Man.
Nice.
What's that burning? Your food.
Oh
You overcooked it. Be careful. Use those tongs.
no. I got it. I got it.
Cool.
Spider-Man.
Mmm. This fire is nice and keeping it nice and toasty. Yeah.
Okay, all the food's good.
Yeah.
Done. Got this nice fire going.
Yeah.
Spider-Man climbing.
Mmm.
Woo! You ready to eat? Okay, so everything's done here. Everything's cooked. I'm gonna have some marshmallow, guys. You want some marshmallow?
Yep, I'm taking it.
Hey, I was giving it to the vlog.
Here you go.
What are you doing?
Eight.
You're eating all the food. What are we gonna eat for the rest of the camping trip? We're not gonna have anything left. Look who just joined the camping trip.
Say hi, Blakey. He said I wasn't gonna miss this fun.
Blake just woke up from his nap and he's gonna join us on our camping trip.
Yeah. Look at all the goodies he's looking at right now. We got you a soft, comfy tent right there.
Guys, we're about to play Greedy Granny.
Mm.
Your breath. Hope no
You
one.
have to fill her tray up.
With pickles and bananas.
What? Where's her stuff? Her snacks.
Here.
Okay, those are her snacks.
Healthy snack.
One. I took one.
Where's the thing?
I'm not. I took one. Next you go.
Oh man. Let's see what we got in here.
He's trying to cheat. He's trying to play the easy way.
Oh no, okay,
I
here we
won.
go.
Ah!
We got the spinner here.
Yeah, we need the spinner, Bryson.
We got the spinner.
I'll go first.
And got some food in here too. Her snacks.
What? There we go.
2.
Okay, I need some snacks in here and then I have to go 2 times.
2 snacks.
That's more than 2 snacks. 1, 2. Okay, your turn, Bryson.
You need to get some snacks. 2 snacks.
Oh, I have to take snacks?
Yep,
Oh, okay.
take 2, yep.
Got it.
Green.
Go ahead, Bry.
1,
2.
Oh,
She caught you red-handed.
No snacks for you.
I'm taking some
Her teeth popped out and everything.
He's taking her snacks. No, what are you doing?
Hide in the tent. Hide in the tent. Hide in the tent.
He took our snacks.
Go hide in the tent.
I'm hiding under my pillow.
How rude.
She's looking at me like I took her snacks. I didn't do it, Granny.
Who turned her like that? She turned herself.
What? She looking right at me.
She wants her snacks back.
I don't got them. Blakey, do we got them?
Hi.
I just woke up from a nap. I don't know what you guys talking about.
Put your teeth in.
All right, it's Dad's turn now.
I'm out of here.
All right, here we go, guys. Where's those snacks? I need those snacks, Bri.
I'm 8 out of it.
Hand
You
them
ate it all?
Hand them over.
How greedy. Greedy Bryson. That's what the name of the game should be.
Here you go.
A loaf of bread.
Here you go.
Okay, I need some more.
No,
Come on.
I'm not giving you.
Come on. Bryson,
Not giving you.
I need some.
No, fine.
Alrighty. What you got for me?
Here.
Blake, you want to go? You want to play too?
Alright. Let me see the spinner thingy.
Here you go.
Here we go.
Good luck.
I'm good at this. I'm good. Here we go. Look at that nice spin. Give me 3. Ooh, 2. 1, 2.
Okay.
2 snacks, baby. Alright. You'll go. Oh, you want me to spin for you? 2. 1, 2. Take 2 snacks.
There's no more.
So when we complete her tray, once her tray is empty, that means the game, whoever took the last piece of her snacks, they win.
So I'm the winner?
Yes.
Woohoo! I won!
Let's see how many times I pressed this button until she wakes. So that was 4 times. 2 for you, 2 for me. That was 4 times, so let's count. Oh, the 5th one.
So it takes 5 tries
And look.
for her to wake up.
Her teeth.
Ew, her teeth.
Yeah.
Blake.
He's like, what is going on?
Good night, everyone.
Good night, guys. He's like, I just woke up from a nap. I'm not going back to sleep.
Get in bed. I'm gonna follow you. Mommy, you're blanket gonna find
Oh, no. He's trying to escape? Where are you going? It's time for bed.
I'm walking around too. Night time. Bye.
Watch out for bears.
Oh, they're chasing us.
Werewolves.
Oh,